Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
I'm Vượng.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Okay, very good. Today we're going to talk about animals, okay? So we have farm animals. Look here. We have farm animals. We have forest animals. We have insects. And then we have sea animals, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, let's start. Now, what animal is this?
It's a monkey.
What does the monkey like? What food does the monkey like?
Monkey like chili.
No, what food does the monkey like?
Monkey like banana.
Very good. What animal is this?
It's a bee. It's a tiger.
What can a tiger do?
Tiger is running.
Tiger. Yes.
It's a giraffe. It's an elephant.
Elephant. Now, what farm animal is this?
It's a bee.
Pig says.
It's a
What farm animal is this?
It's a doctor.
Duck.
Doctor.
Duck says.
Doctor quack quack. It's a chip.
Sheep says.
Chip the papa.
Okay. Now let's talk about the insects. Okay. What insect is this?
It's a bee.
Okay. What insect is this?
It's a tiger.
What insect is this?
It's an ant.
It's ants. Okay.
And
What insect is this? Lady.
It's a ladybird.
Ladybird. Now, can you give me 3 sea animals in the water? Give me 3. Yes. What is that?
It's an octopus.
It's an octopus. Give it to me.
It's a giraffe.
Crab. Give me. What is
It's
this?
an octopus.
Okay. Then the last one. What is that?
It's a dolphin.
It's a dolphin. Which sea animal do you like? Which one do you like?
It's a dolphin.
I like
dolphin.
dolphin. Okay. Then which forest animal do you like?
I like giraffe.
Which farm animal do you like?
I like bee.
Like pig. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you again.
My teacher